Welcome, my friends. Let us begin our meditation practice with a sense of openness and curiosity. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be upright yet relaxed. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze. Take a few moments to bring your awareness to the present moment, feeling the sensations of your body resting on the chair or cushion beneath you. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface supporting you. Gently redirect your attention to your breath, the constant companion that is always with you. There is no need to alter or control your breathing in any way. Simply observe the natural flow of your inhalations and exhalations. As you inhale, feel the air entering your nostrils, traveling down your throat and filling your lungs. As you exhale, sense the breath leaving your body, carrying away any tensions or worries you may have been holding. With each inhalation, imagine drawing in peace and calm. With each exhalation, release any stress or discomfort. Breathing in, breathing out, anchoring yourself in the present moment. Now, allow your awareness to expand beyond your breath, encompassing the entirety of your physical being. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing any sensations that arise without judgment or attachment. I invite you to greet each sensation with a sense of gentle curiosity, whether it is comfort or discomfort, warmth or coolness, tension or relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. Greet these thoughts as you would welcome a guest, acknowledging their presence without engaging with them or pushing them away. As you continue to breathe and observe, you may become aware of sounds around you. The hum of a fan, the distant chirping of birds, or the occasional passing of a car outside. Rather than tuning these sounds out, invite them into your awareness with an attitude of open acceptance. Hear them as they are, without judgment or resistance. As we move further into this practice, I invite you to open your awareness to the entire field of your experience, your breath, body sensations, sounds, and any thoughts or emotions that may arise. Imagine yourself as a vast, open space with room for all aspects of your experience to coexist without conflict or resistance. If you find yourself becoming caught up in distractions or judgments, do not judge yourself for being distracted or judge the distractions themselves. Instead, treat these experiences with the same kindness and acceptance you would offer a dear friend. Gently acknowledge the distraction and then return your attention to the present moment, anchoring yourself in the sensations of your breath and body. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, you may notice a sense of calm or stillness arising within you, or perhaps you feel a sense of spaciousness or clarity. Whatever your experience may be, greet it with an open and receptive heart, neither clinging to pleasant experiences nor pushing away unpleasant ones. In this practice, we are not trying to force or control our experience in any way. Instead, we are cultivating an attitude of gentle acceptance, allowing each moment to unfold naturally, without resistance or judgment. If you find yourself becoming lost in thought or caught up in judgments, gently guide your awareness back to the present moment, anchoring yourself in the sensations of your breath and body. Notice how your body feels, how your mind feels, and how your heart feels. Embrace this sense of presence and carry it with you as you move through the rest of your day. In the midst of our busy lives, it is easy to become caught up in the whirlwind of thoughts, emotions, and distractions. But in this practice, we have created a space of stillness and calm, a refuge from the chaos of the external world. Remember that mindfulness is not something we achieve or attain, but rather a way of being, a quality of presence and awareness that we can cultivate in each moment. When you find yourself becoming lost in thought or caught up in the busyness of life, gently remind yourself to return to the present moment, anchoring yourself in the sensations of your breath and body. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion as you would a dear friend, and allow each moment to unfold naturally without resistance or judgment. As we bring this practice to a close, I invite you to take a few deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your belly with each inhalation and exhalation. Allow your mind to settle into a state of open awareness, embracing the present moment with a sense of curiosity and acceptance. And now, my friends, as we conclude our practice, I wish you a day filled with presence, clarity, and compassion. May the seeds of mindfulness that we have planted today continue to blossom and flourish within you, nourishing your life with a sense of groundedness and peace. Stay mindful, friends,